ordinary shed. It's not dark inside anymore. It's nice and bright.
This shed here is really dark on the inside and I have no way of lighting it, and I don't have power run out to it, so these lights are going to work perfect. String lights, solar panel, and remote. And at night it's really dark. It's allowing some sunlight to come in right now because of these two windows up here, but I plan on putting the LEDs around the frame here up this side, and I'm probably going to come across the top up here. I'm using these little things as necessary too. These would be great for securing this cord here, but what I'm using them for is little areas like this where I transition, where it's got some tension on there, gives it some extra reinforcement. And I just put one on here. Now I'm going to go ahead and really solidify that one in there with those clips too. There's the panel sitting right outside the shed, and the nice thing is I just come right through there. Got 360 shed lights now. Here's a look at them during the day.
This shed ain't no ordinary shed. It's not dark inside anymore. It's nice and bright. Just open the door. I got the light to light the way. Come on in the shed and play. The sun shines nice and bright, bringing power to my